Okay, what's up, boxing fans? So you're about to see what we call the ultimate strip workout, 3 rounds out of 6. The basic, the intermediate, and advanced moves. I can do it better. I'm just back to training. I'm not trying to impress anybody. Basically, my point is that maybe it will inspire you to train, because from what I see on YouTube, despite all the years of making videos, it all kind of sucks except that girl from Catskill. She's quite okay. If you want to help yourself to learn the moves, reach us out. Click the links in the comment under the video or in the info under the video. Basically, no lecturing. I give 1 or 2 minute instructionals depending on your level. Then we drill for 10, 15 or 20 rounds depending on your physical capabilities. That's all for now. Stay tuned, keep fighting, and don't miss the bloopers.